The average American family of four doesn't just eat their money, they throw it away, literally. $1,500 worth of food ends up in the trash every single year. At the same time, the average new car payment has exploded to $772 a month. That's nearly $10,000 a year just for the privilege of driving a depreciating metal box. If you scroll through TikTok or Instagram, you'll see get-rich-quick schemes, crypto moonshots, and flashy side hustles. But here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Wealth isn't built with excitement. It's built with boredom. Today, we're covering 10 unsexy, unglamorous, and borderline embarrassing habits that actually build serious wealth. If your money management feels boring, you're probably doing it right. Habit 1. Drive a boring car. Habit number 1. Drive a car that's older than you're comfortable with. Edmunds data shows that 20% of buyers are now committing to payments over $1,000 a month. That is a wealth killer. Think about it. A $48,000 car loses nearly $15,000 in value in its first 12 months. You've lost more in depreciation than most people save in a year. The fix? Buy a 5-year-old Toyota or Honda. It's already absorbed the steepest loss. It gets you from point A to point B exactly like a luxury SUV, but it leaves an extra $170,000 in your investment account over 15 years. Millionaires don't drive Lambos. They drive Toyotas. Habit 2 and 3. The kitchen system. Habit 2 and 3 are simple. Rotate your meals and eat everything before buying more. Treating meals as entertainment is a luxury you can't afford if you're building wealth. The routine: pick 5 staple meals, rotate them. Your grocery bill becomes predictable and decision fatigue disappears. But before you restock, use the empty fridge rule. We waste 40% of our food supply. By having a use what you have week every month, you're essentially giving yourself a 20% raise on your food budget. Habit 4 and 5. The convenience tax. Habit 4. Make your own coffee. I know, it's a cliche, but the math doesn't lie. Spending $7 at Starbucks daily is $2,000 a year. Invested at 8%, that's $250,000 over 30 years. Is that latte worth $250,000? Probably not. Habit 5. Bring your food everywhere. Airports, tourist spots, and workday lunches are designed to drain you. A packed sandwich isn't cheap. It's a strategy. The people packing snacks for the plane are often the same people who can afford to travel more often because they aren't paying the convenience tax. Habit 6. Shop with friction. Habit 6. Delete your shopping apps. Online shopping is too easy. One tap and your money is gone. Research shows online shoppers spend 30% more because the friction is gone. The rule: if it's not essential, you must buy it in person. The effort of driving to a store is the best filter for impulse buys. Habit 7. The capsule wardrobe. Habit 7. Stop buying clothes. Fast fashion wants you to feel out of style every month. Ignore it. Build a capsule wardrobe of quality basics. Be an outfit repeater. Millionaires find what works and stick to it. Decision fatigue is for people who don't have empires to build. Habit 8. Treat yourself like a bill. Habit 8. Pay yourself first. Most people pay their bills, spend for money, and save whatever is left. Spoiler, there is never anything left. The inversion: set up an automatic transfer the day you get paid, before rent, before food, before anything. If you don't see the money, you won't spend it. Habit 9. Live 2 years behind. Habit 9. Live 2 years behind your income. When you get a raise, don't upgrade your life. Keep the same apartment, the same car, and the same habits. Even people earning $500,000 live paycheck to paycheck because of lifestyle creep. The 2-year lag creates a massive financial cushion that grows every time you get promoted. Habit 10. The productive hobby. Finally, habit 10. Have a hobby that makes money. 65% of self-made millionaires have at least 3 income streams. Instead of a consumptive hobby like gaming or Netflix, choose a productive one. If you love it, monetize it. Even an extra $500 a month, when funneled into these boring habits, accelerates your wealth exponentially. None of these habits are sexy. You won't be the most interesting person at a party talking about your 10-year-old Honda or your meal rotation. But while others are one car repair away from a crisis, you'll be building freedom. The path to $1 million is paved with boring decisions. Which one are you starting today? If you're ready to embrace the boring side of wealth, hit that subscribe button. Let's build something real.
Subscribe.